pay for that?
Talk to the hand.
So Amazon is trying to introduce palm payment as an option for you to check out at their counters. Let me break down this tech for you. You've probably already seen or heard or even been at Amazon stores that have zero human beings and you could just simply self-checkout. In this direction, Amazon is now introducing palm payment. So you will be using your palm, like I mentioned earlier, for a payment. So how this works is actually you will be registering your palm using the information of your card, inserting it at a terminal in one of the kiosks or at over the counter in one of these stores. The information or the biometrics of your palm will not be stored but will be used to identify the card that was stored together with this. It will work like in the movies if they were actually going to use your fingerprint or biometrics and use this as a payment method, right? That's the question that's popping. Amazon claims that it's just not the fingerprints but as a privacy feature, it will be reading your veins, which gives it an extra layer of data protection. But the crazy part to this is Amazon's not the first company introducing this. This has already been introduced in China in subways, where passengers use this to check in and check out at the metro stations or express railways for their commute. This really cool new biometric method of payment or passcode is actually just the beginning, and I'm really excited and will definitely be keeping a tab on it. You are keen as well. Make sure to follow me. If you like this, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one.